Good, beautiful morning. All right, I want to hop on here and record a video while Trump is passing his big, beautiful bill. I figured I'd hop on here and discover my or talk about my big, beautiful trades. All right, so let me go down here 1 month maybe. Okay, so I had an alert set for Chef JPY for it to go up above the June highs and then start to sell. So that my alert was triggered, and I was um, looking at this. Again, we are way early in the game, guys. We don't have to panic or whatever. You can see Bebe is all over this trade, but it looks pretty promising, right? So here's a June high. We went above it, and price is now disintegrating. So she will have a early entry. What I would look for in this scenario is for this daily candle to close with that wick that took out the highs, and it'll be on and popping. Okay, so that is the Chef JPY trade setup based on this 6 month candle, right? So we took out that 6 month high. Now it looks like we're starting to sell. Again, you don't have to rush into these trades, uh, but it looks like that trade setup is going to pay decent dividends. All right, let's look at Euro CAD, similar situation. We went above the high and we are now we're now selling. So uh if you would have been a watcher of this, maybe you could have found an entry. Again, you can wait until you get a order block that is on a higher time frame. Um, maybe there's a 6 hour right there. I don't know if that would have been good. It's an evening star as well if you're a candle person, but you can wait for the daily bearish order block. There's plenty of pips. I think it's like a 1,300 pip trade. Uh, that it's uh, let me see. For right now to this TP, you're looking at 945, right? 945 pips. All in, if you had caught it at the line, about 1,000 pip, maybe a little bit more. Just call it 1,000 pip trade. EJ, I don't know if it triggered my alert or not, but it was right at the 6 month high. No, it didn't trigger the alert. So it looks like EJ is starting to melt. I think a lot of those JPYs melted. Um, we see EU. You already know what time it is with EU and GU. EU, beautiful. We talked about GU on the call yesterday, and man, GU has been showing out. So if you caught GU yesterday, you're over 100 pips in the uh, in the green there, buddy. But looks like we'll get our daily bearish order block, and you know what to do from there. All right, let's look at USD Chef. Okay, USD Chef. As usual, it's a slow mover. Um, I don't think we're below the 6 month candle. So if you get into that anytime soon, you can take that slow ride to the top. But that'll also be a good trade. All right, so those are my trades that I had in blue, and I think they're all playing out. So if you caught one of those trades, hold what you got. All right, you can put your phone down at this point, stop pressing buttons, and just allow the cake to bake. All right, holla.